Just us, don't worry.
Hi, my name is Chris Blackwell, and I'm here to talk to you today about fermented foods. Fermented foods are very important for your health, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what that is and why they're important for your health, and how they can actually increase your overall health. And at the end of the speech, I want to challenge you to replace one item from your daily meals with a fermented food. First, I'd like to discuss the problems of the standard American diet. So, the standard American diet is composed of foods that actually lead to ill health. Every year, the government comes up with an idea of what kind of foods are good to eat, what is a healthy diet. They state that half a plate should be fruits and veggies, a quarter of that plate should be grains, half of which are whole grains, and a quarter of that is protein, which is you vary the protein. So one day you may eat fish, one day you may eat chicken. So the standard American diet does not follow these guidelines. Since about the 50s or 60s, 1950s or 60s, due to convenience of microwaves, frozen dinners, fast food, most people's diets actually consist of these foods. So the standard American diet is actually made up of fast, cheap foods that are devoid of nutrition. Tove Donovich wrote on TakePart.com in 2015, "Cheap food is not only high in calories, but takes little time to prepare. This translates into a lot of frozen meals, fast food, and other out-of-the-box meals that are often formulated for taste rather than health." Consumption of these foods on the standard American diet actually leads to a lot of health problems. Foods that are high in sodium, fat, and they don't contain essential nutrients will actually lead to cardiovascular disease, obesity, diabetes, just to name a few. Fermented foods can actually help improve your health. The process of fermentation introduces probiotics, which are good bacteria, into the ferment. In an article titled "Therapeutic Impacts of Probiotics, More Bullets," probiotics are immensely showing fruitful results for the treatment of various diseases. The author discussed the fact that diabetes, inflammatory bowel disease, cancer, allergies, and obesity all have promising results with probiotics. The author also goes on to state that positive outcomes are strain-based, so based on the actual strain of the bacteria, so research is still needed. According to the article, the health benefit of probiotics prevent colonization of pathogenic microorganisms. So just by this action, it's actually helping your immune system. The process of fermentation also transforms the food being fermented. Most ferments actually start with a raw ingredient and then are fermented, so they actually contain all of the nutrients that are present in raw form. So according to the article, Significance of Fermented Food in Nutrition and Food Science, fermentation leads to a preserved product. It enhances the flavor. It improves nutritional quality so that actually it's broken down into more nutrients that are easily to digest. It leads to alleviation of lactose intolerance in the case of yogurt, and an increase of nutrient bioavailability, just to name a few of the benefits. So now I'd like to really talk about how easy it is to incorporate fermented foods into your diet. A lot of supermarkets nowadays actually carry raw fermented products. This is raw sauerkraut. Kimchi and kombucha are also available, increasingly showing up in supermarkets. Kombucha is actually a fermented tea drink, which contains probiotics as well as beneficial yeast. And it's important to know that when you're looking for a probiotic food in the supermarket, that you do make sure that it isn't heat treated, because that actually will kill off those beneficial organisms. Ferments can actually be made at home very easily, and you get all the health benefits as well as being able to control the flavor and the ingredients of those ferments. Yogurt, kefir, which is a yogurt-like drink, sauerkraut, kimchi, which is a spicy Korean condiment, and kombucha are just a few of the ferments that can easily be made at home with minimal ingredients and minimal equipment. Thanks to a revival of interest in home fermentation, you can find a lot of the recipes online, techniques online, as well as in this book by Sandra Katz, which is called Wild Fermentation. It's a wonderful book. It really has a lot of interesting information in that. So in conclusion, the standard American diet is deficient in essential nutrients and is full of bad ingredients which contribute to a variety of health conditions. If you find yourself eating the standard American diet, challenge yourself to replace one item every day with a healthy, fermented food. Let that be your first tasty step to eliminating more foods from the standard American diet and eating in a more healthy way. Thank you.